Hi there, this is a YouTube instructional video on how to use my sleep tracker. This is a very simple template to use, and this helps you to track your sleep. So if you have insomnia, or if you have another condition, or if you have a baby you're trying to track for sleeping purposes to see, how long someone slept, this is a perfect sheet to use. So you literally, this has, a frozen section here, so if you scroll down, this part will stay um, the same. So we can go to a new section here. Let's delete this. Double click in the box to choose the date. And if you have downloaded this on your computer, that double click part won't work. You just have to just highlight this and then put a date. And then time you went to bed. So you went to bed at, let's see, 10:30 p.m. And then time in bed, so say you spent 10 hours in bed, but you only slept 6 hours. The rating was a 5. I felt tired, and then didn't sleep well. Drink water. So you can put any notes, and if you need to, extend this note section out, you can, just for more room for notes. So that's it. You can print this out as well. So you just go to File, Print, and then current sheet. If you printed out all of it, would be a lot. So I'll show you how to print that. So once you're here, if you did portrait, you could do that, or landscape. But make sure your scale doesn't say normal, but that it says fit to width or fit to page. Oh, fit to page doesn't work, does it? Fit to width works, and then just print that out, hit next. And don't do pages all, do pages custom, and then just do the pages that you actually have. So just do page 1 or 2, and do page 1 to 2, and then you can print it out. If you wanted to just print this out and put it into a notebook, you could, and it would be blank for you. That'd be super awesome too. So that's how to print that out. Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks, guys.